things on stripe on the shirts or the way tiles placed on the floor. Nature has patterns too, like the spot on the ladybugs or the branches on the tree. Patterns helps us to understand things better. We can recognize or remember patterns using the three structures, which is the three R's. The first one is regular, the second one is repeated, and the third one is recurring. There are four main types of patterns, which is the symmetry, the equal pattern, fractals, the never-ending pattern, spirals, the curve or circle pattern, and lastly, the tessellation, the repeated pattern.
Hi, I'm Erin from AC1C.
Okay.
I'm going to enter the pattern, but before anything else, I know your name and from what program are you?
I am Jilip Temblingakaw and then my program is Base 8 Agriculture here in the State Campus.
Then here's your questions. For you, what is pattern?
From my very short vocabulary of my brains, patterns is nature by giving us the creature. Pattern give us beauty of all the things that were found dito sa kalibutan, no? So ang pattern mo god is isa sa ka symbols magpakita nga ma-appreciate nimo tanan butang kay just for example mo god pag wala ka document or wala ka kabalo unsa na siya nga butang the pattern mura kag dito mo siya ma-appreciate unsa na siya nga klase na mura sa buhay lang nimo di ba unlike kung nakabalo ka ay pattern siya ay nature siya then unique ka nga how amazing that God was given us this great pattern. Diba? Kay pattern was very relevant as a human. This gave us beauty, strength, calmness of our minds. And also, sa akong gabay nga pag-skila, no? Gamay lang kayo mo. Short deep discussion about pattern and nature, the separation, and nanakitaw. Nakailan dito, we talk about art. It is not nature, but nature is art. Nanakitaw kung pagka the way I describe the pattern, and also pag wala kita yung pattern sa kabutang, it is like an empty shell of an coconut bitaw. Pag walay kuan, walay pattern, we don't know about nana tools pulos niya na ma-consider na tong like it is about ma-consider na to tong kinabuhi as empty darkness without mathematics.
Hi, I'm AC1C and I have a short time. I'm going to interview you about patterns, but before anything else, I know your name from the program. So I want to get each other from this everyone. And first question, can you show me a pattern that you see every day? So the pattern that I see every day, so yes, this one thing that I see is Hi, I'm Erin Igonia from AC1C. Can I have a short time with you? Yes. I'm going to interview you about patterns, but before anything else, may I know your name and from what program are you?
I am Jill Chiga and I'm from Bisak Tusti.
Here's your question. So, can you name a pattern found in nature?
A pattern of tree or flowers.
Thank you. Patterns are around us. We can find them in many ways. They're fun to spot and help us understand the world better.